What does it say?
Daddy.
Yes. What does this say? Can you read the word? Don't worry about the camera, Gigi. What does that say?
Go.
No, it says Daddy.
Daddy.
And this one? No. It says Henry.
Eric.
Okay. And this one?
Gordon.
This one?
Dad.
And this one?
Dad.
You want cat back?
Dad.
Yes, I did a cat. What cat sound does a cat make? Yes.
Yeah.
Can you read this one? Are you saving your favorite words? What about this one, Gigi? Can you read that?
Which we?
You're just showing off the camera. You don't want to read words? You want to read what that says?
Go.
Here we go. And this one?
Ass.
Yes. And this one?
We. Gordon.
You want the word Gordon.
Gordon.
There it is. Show that you found the word. Pick it up. Pick it up. And then show there. No, okay.
We Gordon.
Let's continue.
Papa Wood.
Bye-bye, Gordon.
Nana.
Night, night.
Gordon. Gordon. We
What does this one say?
Wood. Nana.
That says wave. Wave. Do you know what this one says?
Nana.
This one?
Say.
That says nose.
Nana.
Nice nose. And this one? Read the word.
Baby.
Yay! And this one?
Dad.
Can you make a sound? Do you know what sound this makes?
Nana.
Say moo. That
Moo.
says cow.
Moo.
Okay, what does this one say?
Mom.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Yes, look at mommy. How about this one?
Nana. Shoot. Shoot. Nana shoot.
No, Jude. What does that one say? No, you gotta read it first, you monkey. Let's see.
Mommy.
No, it says
What?
the mouth. Yes. Good job. And this one?
Purple.
You want to read high again?
Nana.
I know. What does this one say?
Nana.
Let's put it at the back because we read that one already.
Mom.
That says
Mommy.
Thomas.
Shushu. We go to.
We'll find him. He went to sleep, remember?
Go to. We go to.
We'll find him. Find the word Gordon and then show Mommy which one says Gordon. We'll play it this way then. Oh, no. Where's Gordon? Look here.
Mommy.
Okay, now you're just making a big mess. Now it's running the words, now we're making a mess. You're a little distracted. Can you read this word? Did you?
Shushu.
What does this one say?
Oh no.
Look. Too much camera distraction. Can you read this one? Gigi? Stop hitting Mommy with that, please. This one. Okay. Are you done reading? Say bye.
Papa shoot.